my students to be teach, to be informed, to be insulted, to be underestimated, to share, or to where can I show my angry face, or to make me sad because of being incapacitated.
Okay.
But I was deeply touched by the smiles and the ability where all of these things
Last
are fading
will
away
testament.
in my mind when I faced the reality that there were unique individuals finding way to touch me, to make me smile, and the best of all, making me laugh.
May sisi mo utok, sir?
Teaching is not my profession. Some may understand me and some may not. And some may like me but some may not also. And some may pass and some may fail. Just like schooling, a student may enter the school without knowing that what will happen and where the people they will talk to, or to be for the rest of the day and whole day in the institution. When I enter this institution, I'm just a student finding a room where I can learn and find a person who I can talk to. To my first students, the ICT first year morning students, the best buddy were in dati, Mira and Clea. The conservative girls, physically but not mentally, because they have this sexy imagination. To the silent type but gifted with interpersonal intelligence, Jong, the three girls is always in love with their partner or partners. Malaika, Cressy Joy, and Charlie. Thank you so much, girls.
Girls.
Another hard thing is that I could identify to differentiate
Uy,
two
magsipon.
people who are almost similar. But on the days would come, each individual has a different personality. The silent, the conservative, the laagan, budang, and the sabaan or palakuyaburan. The judgmental kluwa. Nga nang judgmental siya. From the first day na natungtong ko diri ang manggol, si Kluwa na ako dito ako, tapos nag-ask siya na, kung saan ka diri? Nagpa-enroll ka? Tapos, ako dili, uy, mag-teach ko. Tapos na ako, ha? Mag-teach ka? Sure ka? Ito yung question. Sure ka? Ito na ako makalimutan Kluwa, ha? To Samukan, John Rich, at saka to the pa-cute Aguilar. Always remember that trials and hardship would never know the way that your burdens turn into blessing. Just try to do things and strive to study and avoid absences. And to the beautiful girls, Jasmine, and Joy, Jensen, you were blessed with beauty. Use it with strong dedication and offer it to your Creator. Avoid uyab-uyab and date sa plaza ako si Jasmine. And strive more for healthier you because I think that mga tao na to mag-absent because of yun-ani, nagsakit. So, I guess, kung beautiful ka, it's better to be beautiful and healthy. So, Joy, bahalag masakit to. Bahalag pangit ba?
Masayang
At least madala lang siya sa'yo. To the social name and should be pronounced correctly and spelled correctly, Barbara. And to the ambassador of goodwill and truth, Bisagas, stay responsible in your studies, strive for your goal with humility.
To my
Tati
dreamland
and Hara Flores, study hard and make me proud, guys, even soon when we cross our path. To the healthy and sporty chubby Brian, I hope someday when I would read your penmanship, I could easily read it. Hindi mo muna ako mabasa ang sulat ni Brian. I know Brian has a thought, na siya idea, but kung saan itong idea na ito kung hindi mabasa, okay, mura lang yapog, wala. To the problematic Dimson. Problematic Dimson. Always remember that God is love. Though we have problems, we should stay close to Him and praise Him. Only God can fill the emptiness of our aching heart. Too cutie pala kita. Balance your study and extracurricular basketball, the true face of small but terrible. Stay cute and lovable. In love, never cast and burn hell. Love each other, love the persons who love by the other party, and accepts each other is not perfect person. You love because you want to enter into their world, not that you love because you want to change the world with each other. Tumisibis bay, mama. Remember, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. God has given the beauty so you want to Tumay kaharutan, palating, samakan, salaan, dekamador, arlon. Sa wala ka lang invite ang birthday ni Bob nila sa election.
Sir, gaman.
Oo, sa. Thank you for being nice to me and being good to me. I hope that you would change, especially kung ayaw. Pero actually, I am very close to boys na anak ko mga close na boys, hindi lang girls ako close. Close po ko sa boys. Pero I would choose boys na gina-close na ako. Parang mas hindi na igat-igatan ko na ako. Ganun mo kay Marlon, kaya mas igat-igatan. Fine, mas igat-igatan. Parang anto lang yung isa ko ano. Not that maabot sa deeper something. Deeper something.
Cameraman.
To the Girl Scout Karen, thank you for lending me everything I want, for extending me out to least preference, for being special, and for being for being an individual that could easily to ask to pay more, and especially a leader that I could say to be molded by experience. Molded by experience. Kasi si Karen, leader siya na naahat na leader. Wala siya, as for now, SSC leader siya, pero wala siya kabalo, wala siya kamera po na SSC na dati. So, naahat siya. So, I guess, maging leader siya, napili siya, his destiny wants her to be a leader. Then, nahatag yung sayahan, di ba, ang leader. So, I think experience will mold her as a leader. Okay? So, na-determine siya, be determined, be simplicity and humility. And I think, I know Karen is being from today, a true values of Marista. To my friends, close friends, best friends, umiigat, kadamakan, kaaway, kalaagan, umulan, bumagyo, pero dili pwede sa init kay mga artihon. Mga beauty-beauty ang labanan. Kay Mark at saka kay Johan. There were third generation of beauty.
Asa na Homo sapiens?
It is a right to dress or to make beautiful. But always remember girls, that we should be beautiful and dress, not to impress others, but to impress ourselves. And being beautiful is the root of self-confidence. And stay that way. Thank you for making me laugh. And stay committed.
Pilak niya!
Kaya, wait, so, tagay. Then,
Listen pag yun. Ayusin.
Iiyak na yan. Iiyak na yan.
so, I hope, I'm looking forward for our friendship, not a friendship as teacher as student, but true friendship. And this might be the last time I go this board. And
Okay.
saying good afternoon as well as asking to stack up this electric fan in the room. But you can always reach me, so I'm just a text away. And sorry guys for the things that I make you or that cause the trouble. And terrible. I know there are many things na Karakarata mo, dali-dalita mo because I don't want to pressure you, but I want you to learn that there are things after schooling that you need to manage your time. And thank you for sharing your life with me, guys, and so long and God bless us for our future endeavors.
Group hugs.
Sir, ugma, sir, ha? Sir, ugma, sir. Sa inyo, sir.
Girlfriend kami ni Bagay, sir. Sir, permahan pa.
Ibalik pa man ako na.
Ibalik pa din.
Kaya ba't if so di mo to si Ma'am Kato Bigla. Nabasa ko. Pilot at least patong harap yung mga corrections.
Hapon, sir. Sir, alauna. Alauna, sir. Sir, alauna, ugma, sir, ha?
Alaw na tayo. Talaw na tayo.
Saga sa'yo, tama yung gusto.
Ugma, dili natin yung kita.
Oras dito, sir. 6 na minutes. Ha? Durian nang.
Durian, Marlon. Cik, tagay ko, Joy, be?
Karon sir, durian.
Namu, wala kang kanon.
Ay, nga durian. Gaway may mituwan. Gaway mi sir, suya kay ko sir. Oo. Wala ka nang kinagahan niyo.
Joy.
Nagtagay lang ulit ni.
Balik, anak ko mabalik mo. Yung birthday ko kay Marlon, wait, yung pagka-birthday har. Naglaang na lang yung Joanne, dura sa isawan.
Nagtagay lang mo sir. Iya gani kayo, ano siyang wala ka na kung binuman ng tawag.
Pangit na kayo tanaw. Pidugaya ninyo, ana yun. Oo, yun sa problema ninyo.
Nag-rise ka man ka, o choco na o.
Yung sa man niya.
Sasabihin lang nila dyan yung pasa
Pasa ninyo this week, ha?
Unsa man ta oras ug madiri? Ato mo ugma. Sila tabi niyo ba?
Okay naman, 11:30 na siya. Wala si Mama.